In this video, I'm going to show you how you can link up OBS and Twitch. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So if you are new to streaming and you are wanting to link OBS and Twitch so you can start streaming, so the first thing you will need to do is come over to OBS, and as you can see, I'm right here on OBS. And then once you are on this page, all you simply need to do is go to the top left hand corner to File. Click on File, and then you will need to find Settings, which is this little option here. Click on Settings, and then it will bring up this little pop-up window. And on the left hand sidebar here, as you can see, there is an option for Stream. If you click on Stream, as you can see, under Services, there is a lot of options here. So you've got Twitch, YouTube, Facebook, and so on. So the one we want today in this video is Twitch. And then what you need to do is simply click on Connect Account. Once you click on that, it will open up like a little window where you need to log into Twitch. So all you need to simply do is enter in your username and enter in your password. Once you have entered in your Twitch details, all you simply need to do is click on Login. Once you click on Login, you will be sent a verification code if this is set up on your Twitch account. So once you've got the verification code, all you need to do is simply enter it in. And then once you enter in the code, as you can see, my Twitch account is now linked up to my OBS. So this is how I can start streaming on Twitch through OBS. So that's how you can go ahead and link OBS and Twitch.